Allegedly, Norman Scott assaulted an indoor worker at the polling station in St. Elizabeth. You heard me right. Norman Scott, PNP representative, assaulted an indoor worker at the polling station in St. Elizabeth. My people, I'm not coming from a political standpoint because I realize some of you fail to be able to think outside of your political affiliation. This is concerning people. And if you're a PNP and you come out and defend him because you're simple because you're a PNP, me I beg you, please push your head in one load of sun and jump off on one cliff. Please, me I beg you, because you're not used to Jamaica. No use. People, when persons seek to represent us and govern our country, they have to be held at a higher standard. Expectations of them should be higher. Because if you give irresponsible animals at this point, not what I call them man, animals at this point, they will, I say they will misuse that power. I firmly believe that politicians should, when they break the laws of the land, should be held and given harsher punishments. So if a regular assault would have caused you to spend 20 years in a prison, them forget 50. They need to rectify the situation urgently. I will be going live tonight to have a discussion about this as well and about the entire going-ons of today. But people, please hold your representatives accountable. You are giving them the power to put our country forward or backward. Please take on the head out of them ass and think.